Good morning, guys. Starting in a week of what's in my husband's lunch today. He's having a Lipton iced tea in the mango flavor. One of the Gatorade flows in the kiwi strawberry. I did 2 sandwiches today on like a little hard roll. This one has roast beef, lettuce, tomato, Swiss cheese, and mayo. And this one has turkey, Swiss cheese, lettuce, and mayo as well. Again, both on the hard roll. There are 2 Persian cucumbers here, just cut up or halved, with some ranch to dip. I have to grab the top for this. A Trader Joe's vanilla almond granola bar, and then a banana. This is lunch today, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work lunch and wanted to share what's going in today. We have a Lipton iced mango tea. One of the Gatorade flows in the blackberry wave flavor, as well as a water cooler. And then for his like lunchtime sandwich, we have egg salad on one of these sandwich thins with lettuce, tomato, cheese, a little bit of mayo to keep everything stuck, and then I kind of push them down so everything stays put. One of these hazelnut Uncrustables. This will be like probably like a morning snack because he doesn't eat all of this on just his lunch break. A cutie orange peeled, probably eat that with the sandwich, I would imagine. A granola bar in the vanilla almond. This is Trader Joe's. And then some of these little salami sticks from Trader Joe's as well as a cheddar cheese Sargento string stick. And this is lunch today. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. We have a Gatorade Flow in the blackberry flavor, a can of Sprite. I also have the water cooler all situated as well. I made him a sandwich on this pretzel roll with some Solon's ham, iceberg, pepper jack cheese, and like a spicy mustard. And this pretzel roll is from the Fresh Market. I had given him one of this, or I gave him one of these Philadelphia garden vegetable bagel cream cheese dippers, a barbecue like Pringle individual pack, one of the Trader Joe's vanilla almond granola bars, 3 small little mini cookies, chocolate chip cookies from the Fresh Market, and a little cutie orange. And this is lunch today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him one of these market side green tea, ginseng and honey teas. I got these from Walmart. A Sprite, and then a another pretzel sandwich, a pretzel bun sandwich, ham, cheese, lettuce, tomato, spicy mustard. One of these Oscar Mayer Natural. These are new. I've never seen them before. I found this at Target, and this one has honey smoked turkey breast, Asiago cheese, and like a Triscuit sort of cracker to make like little cracker sandwiches. So I picked those up again at Target. I've never seen them before. A little individual container of the Pringles cheddar and sour cream. Some of these Reese's dipped pretzels, which look like this. They're made with Snyder's pretzels. I got these at Walmart. And then a banana, and this is his lunch today. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today he's taking a raspberry lemonade. This is from Walmart. One of the Martinelli's little apple juices in addition to the water cooler. His sandwich today is on like a seeded rye bread, and it is turkey pastrami with lettuce, tomato, and spicy mustard, and cheese as well. A couple of the little cutie oranges that I just peeled, so they're ready to go. Some of these, they're like sliced cheese wrapped in prosciutto. They're pretty small. They're not as big as the roltinis he had been taking. So I gave him 3 small little ones. One of the Nutella and breadsticks, a Pringles in the pizza flavor, and then a hazelnut Uncrustable. He usually eats, if he has one of these, he usually has it in the morning along with like a piece of fruit or something. So these 2 will probably be like a morning snack. But yeah, this is lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.